Okay, what's going on, everybody? We're live right now. Okay.
Okay.
How you doing there, Shane?
I'm good. I'm good. Thanks for having me.
No doubt. How you doing, Nang?
Excellent. I muted
Kojak.
myself out. I muted myself out. I'm good. I'm good.
Okay, cool. So we're gonna get right into it. Basically, Shane, what I'm gonna be teaching you is how to utilize the Facebook group poster. It's gonna save you a lot of time. There's so many groups that we could join now on Facebook. At first it used to be a 300 limit. But now that changed and people are in, over 1,000 even. So instead of doing it manually, we're going to use a group poster, an auto group poster, okay? And the one that I use, it's called Ultra FGP, okay? Ultra Facebook Group Poster. All right, and I'm going to show you some of the functionalities that this actually has. I've worked with a lot of others, a lot of the monthly charging ones, the popular ones out there, Hootsuite, Post Planner, things like that. And, I think that this one is actually the most efficient, okay? So, first of all, you can add up to 5 accounts, okay? 5 different accounts. If you have more than one Facebook account, you can add them all. If you don't, maybe it's a suggestion that you should have more than one, if you're going to be posting in groups anyways, right? So you can have 5. All right, so what you're going to start off doing is go to users. All right, now obviously I have all these added, so I don't want to delete them right now. But you're just going to click add user, and it's going to connect to any Facebook account that you have. You put in your email and password, and then it's going to add it, okay? So right here, let's just say Peter Chung. And then you're going to go import groups, okay? And then when you click import groups, all your groups are going to come out. Now you could do check all. You can do uncheck all, check all, and then you should usually go down and you want to make sure that you're not spamming in groups that you're not supposed to be, okay? Where people are actually, involved. Like View Tracker, Team Vision, this is our team. I don't want to spam in that. Brain Abundance Singapore, I don't want to spam in that. Brain Fuel Plus, So the more groups you have, it might take a little bit, but you do this once and then you're set. Okay, so you scroll down and you just unclick the ones that you don't want to post to. Okay? After you do that, you click import groups. Okay? So once you do that, it's all imported from here. And then you can go to your groups and choose your user, Peter Chung. Okay, and these are all my groups. Okay, so I could delete them if I want. All right. And then, now this is how you actually start your campaigns. Okay, this is how you actually make things run. All right, so right now I have four, 4 different ones running at the moment. Okay. So one of them was finished, and I didn't start it, so I could show you guys every step. So you're going to start by clicking this first button here. Okay, so you could create any name here you want, whatever you want. Just make sure it matches, I guess, your Facebook account. Okay, and then these are all the groups that you added. Okay, it just appears all here, so you could double check again if you want. You just click select all, and it'll select them all. Okay, you could take one more double check if you want. Make sure you're not spamming in groups you're not supposed to be. Okay, and then you're gonna go to your schedule. Okay, you go to your schedule. You just pick the date. You click here to get the time. You go down or you go up, and if it goes in 15-minute intervals, but you could click it, and it has 3-minute intervals here, which is great. Okay. That gives you more customization. A lot of these posting things, it gives you, in 15-minute intervals, or, it posts, whatever, in every 5 minutes or something like that. All right, let me show you what this can do, how powerful this is, okay? So you say your time, you say your schedule, and group per batches. How many groups at a time is it going to post at once, okay? and now the developer is very familiar with Facebook's I guess algorithms and stuff like that, so he knows. Okay, and he told us that you could do 45 groups at a time when it's text or you have a link. Okay, 45 groups at a time. What this 30 is basically in how many minutes later is it going to send another batch of 45? Okay, and that's going to be in every 30 minutes. Every 30 minutes, it's going to send 40 and 45 groups. So basically, in 1 hour, it's posting in 90 groups. Okay? And then it's safe to do 3. And what interval per message is how many hours it's actually going to kind of take a rest. Okay? And that's 3 hours. All right? So basically, what this is doing is when you go back to campaigns and you click here, all right, it gives you your name, the scheduled date, current server time, so you can match it. Campaign is not running, you could start campaign to run it if you set the time correct, okay? But look over here, okay? You could add as many messages as you want. All right? You can add as many messages as you want. And this is what's key. So basically, what it's going to do is it's going to post in 45 groups, right? And then it's gonna wait 30 minutes, post in 45 groups, wait until it finishes all your groups. If you have 300 groups, it's gonna post in 300 groups with this first message. Okay? Once it finishes that, it's gonna cycle over and do the same thing with your second message. Okay? So you're not just doing the same message over and over and over, and you don't have to go back and manually change it after each time. You could just preset however many messages. You could go 10 messages deep and it'll probably run for a couple days if you want. Okay? And then after it finishes this, all 300 groups or however many groups you have, it goes to the third message, fourth message, and then the campaign stops. Okay? You can enable loop if you want. But, I just like to not do it because when the campaign ends, I like to kind of maybe switch my messages up again. You know what I'm saying, guys? And, yeah, another, I guess, tip I would have is save these messages, if because you don't want to constantly do the same messages over and over. So when you edit it or want to change it, maybe save this. If this was a good post, actually, open up a pad and save it. You know what I'm saying? So that next time you could use it again. All right, if it was a good post. But I'm going to just show you how to add a message now. Add new message. And hello. It's Wednesday, and this is a trial testing sample for Ultra FGP. Okay? And then you could do a share URL here. If you do a share URL, basically, if you do a share URL, okay, you know how you post a link on Facebook and this comes out? That's what's going to happen if you put in under share URL, okay? But if you do that, the amount of messages you could send at a time lowers a little bit, okay? And there's files explaining exactly how many messages you can send. If you guys decide to actually use this poster, okay? So you'll get all the instructions for that. But if you post it here, it'll just come out as without this, and it'll highlight. Okay, and that's fine to post to this amount of groups at a time. Okay, so you set your message, you can put your link, and then another thing is you can do photos. Okay, you add a photo there. All right, you don't have to do any of this. Never mind any of this. Okay, add the message. And then it just adds, okay, with the picture right here. Okay, that's pretty much it. And see, as you can see, these are all my previous posts. You know, and it just keeps running on automation. So it definitely saves a lot of time. You know, see, this is one of my posts, and I put a link, so it comes out like this. All right. Another cool thing, okay? If you look at a lot of spammers over here, when you look at the group, it says 13 hours ago via, it'll say like maybe auto poster or something like that, right? But look, it says mobile here. You could customize this to say anything you want, okay? So I put mobile here, and usually if it's mobile, there is a little mobile icon here. But a lot of people say, how do you post so much? You know, they message me and say, how do you post so quickly? And I say, I use auto poster, and they're like, no, but it says you use mobile, you know? But I just changed it to mobile just to make it look like that. Okay, so that's another, I guess, cool feature that they have. Another thing, convenient factor with this Ultra FGP is actually the support is pretty cool. When I got it, you're actually you could message somebody on Facebook and they'll do the whole setup for you. Okay, because you have to get you have to actually put it on hosting, but they'll configure it all for you. All right, and he's been actually giving me ongoing support, so I actually it's really yeah I'm satisfied. But that's basically it. You know, if you have any questions, Shane.
Okay.
Um, just this is. Oh,
How was that, eh? Was that too quick or?
I got everything recorded. Should be fine. I think the speed is good. Maybe you can go again. How you get the tool because people are new. So how do you find the tool? Where do you go look for it? Present maybe
Okay.
your affiliate link. Now,
Yeah.
this who Bryce cannot get on because the plugin cannot. Is there a video link tube or other YouTube link for him to listen in?
Yeah, sure. I'll actually get that right now.
Okay, put it onto the group chat.
Okay, cool.
He can't get in because the plugin is not working.
and I had no idea about that. That would save me so much time.
Yeah, we got all
Yeah,
we
for
all have to
sure.
learn this because we are gonna do hundreds of groups, right?
Oh yeah, this is amazing.
Steve is kicking butt with 1,175 groups.
Oh my gosh,
That's why he's leading the way.
it's crazy.
Okay, I got it. So which group should I post it in?
I put it in the chat. I'll pick it up and I'll pass it to Bryce. Even put it in your chat box is okay too.
Okay, I chatted it to you.
Put it either one. I will do the transferring.
I chatted it to you on Facebook. Should I do it on here?
You can do both. Okay, I got it now.
Okay, cool.
I'll pass it. You go ahead and you will do the where you find the tool. Where is your affiliate? Run through that.
Okay, yeah, yeah. Sounds good.
Because they don't know where to find the tool.
All right, so yeah, basically I showed you guys the tool. Now I'm gonna show you where you could get it, okay? You could get in touch with me if you want to add me on Facebook, or you could go, you guys know bit.ly, and then go to Ultra FGP, okay? And then I'll land here. Okay, it's a $60 one time. All right, only one time, guys, okay? I've used Post Planner and Hootsuite, and Hootsuite only allows maybe 50 groups, and then you got to purchase for 10 groups 10 extra dollars, okay? And that's like $20 a month, monthly. So 3 months worth, and you know you're done. You're gonna definitely use this more than 3 months, okay? And it's faster, it's more efficient. Okay, one thing also, you guys got to read this. Make sure you read it all. One thing is you do need hosting. Okay, if you guys don't know what hosting is, it's basically, you're kind of getting your own, um, it's your own server. I mean, to keep it in simplified terms, basically like you need to basically place this somewhere, this program in order for it to work, and that's called a host. Okay, and you could get a very cheap host for $10, maybe even less than that a month. Okay. And this can also be good down the road if you eventually, want to build your own website and have your own website. You basically need your own host anyways. Okay. So, that's only $10 a month. So basically total it's going to be $60 one time and then $10 a month. Okay. And then after you purchase it, it's going to give you a link, send you an email, and then if you want help to get it set up, it'll tell you exactly what to do and who to get in touch with. That's about it.
Now, if there is any difficult area, can you go through one more time on certain area that the new people might get stuck?
Yeah, in terms of the posting.
Setting it up, posting stuff like that. Just go through just those key places where people can find difficulty.
Okay. So once again, this is the dashboard, guys. This is just going to show everything, your general setup and the current system time. All right. One thing I didn't mention before is that the current system time is actually not matched with our US time. Okay. I think it's like maybe GMT plus 5 hours or something. Okay. But I talked to the developer and I asked for maybe a customization for this, and he said it'll come up. So he'll change that to match it. Okay. But once again, you can go into user. All right. You add user, guys, and then put in your Facebook email address and password, and then I'll add your account. Okay. And then you click import groups. And you check all the groups you want to import and click import groups. All right. Remember, you don't want to spam in groups that you shouldn't be spamming. Okay. So uncheck those. Import your groups. Okay. And then you can go to your groups and just look at it. Remember, you have to pick the right user. All right. Make sure you're not deleting from the wrong user here. Make sure you choose the right user, and then go and double check and delete ones that you don't want. Okay. And then you go to campaigns, and this is how you actually run your stuff. Okay, guys? You're going to create a new campaign, put your name, Peter Chung or trial. Okay. Schedule date. Remember, you pick the time, date first. You click here to get the time. Let's say 8. It goes in 15-minute intervals if you do it this way, but you could click here. And these are 3-minute intervals, okay? 15 seconds, I mean, you don't have to. These are just seconds, though. Okay? And you click out. Group per batch. Remember, I'm going to send you guys, or you're going to get instructions when you pick this product up on how many groups you can send to, what interval, and how many messages and things like that. So you'll know this, okay? But it'll be 45, 30 minutes, 3 hours. And then select your user. Make sure you select the right user, okay, guys? And then you're going to create the campaign. Okay? And make sure you select all the groups on the side. Okay, it's not selecting all, but make sure you select all the groups on the side, okay? And then you're going to go here. Okay? Oh no, I just went there. Sorry, guys. You're going to go to the next one. And then if this is all right, you go here. You can add new message. Okay? Type your message. Remember, share URL. A little box of your preview link's going to come out. Or you put it here and just your link will show. Okay? If you want to add a file, you add a file. Never mind this, okay? X that out. You don't need that. You add your message. Okay, boom. It's gonna appear right here. You could trash messages easily. You could easily edit them if you go in here. Okay? Easy edit. Update message. Okay? And then once you're done, you start campaign. Click. And it's going to ask you, are you sure you want to start the campaign? You go, okay. Okay? Boom. It's starting. You could pause it. You could stop it anytime you want. Okay? And then when it starts posting, it gives you the logs of everywhere that you posted. You could check it, make sure that it's posting correctly. Okay? All right? There we go. Okay? Let me like my own post. Okay. But that's pretty much it, guys.
Yeah,
Very
well,
simple.
all done. That's good. One
Very
more.
efficient.
Oh, one sec. Got to unmute. Pete, can you do me a favor?
Hello?
Can you hear
Can
me?
you hear me?
Yeah, I can.
Okay,
Who's that?
listen. A lot of us we
Oh,
don't
this
know.
is Ryan. This is Ryan.
Hey, Ryan, how you doing?
I had a question. I came in a little late, but you're talking about the hosting. I have my own website. Does it need to be a dedicated site, or can I like add it on to like my existing site?
I mean, what? It doesn't have to be like a Vortex server or anything like that. Are you on like a hosting site like HostGator or anything like that?
Yeah, I'm on HostGator.
Yeah, yeah. Then that's perfectly fine.
So is it like an what do you call it? Plugin? It's a plugin or?
Yeah, basically, it's like a database.
Oh,
It's a database, and then you're gonna connect it as an app on Facebook.
okay. I'm gonna have to
And
watch the
all
video again.
and all those instructions, are just given when you make the purchase.
Okay, cool.
It's pretty simple to set that up. But if you already have a host like you do, Ryan,
Mhm.
then you know you could either give the developer there your info for the host, and he could just quickly set it up for you, or you could go on ahead and do it yourself if you want.
Okay, cool.
Okay, Pete, I have another request. A lot of us we don't know how to start a Google Hangout. Can you go quickly do a procedure for us where to go because we always get lost, and also show us how to do the listen in link.
Okay, cool. Listening link gets a little bit hectic, but let me see. Hold on.
Show the screen so we can follow.
Oh yeah. Yeah, for some reason when I screen share once and I go back, it doesn't work. I'm gonna exit real quick. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Okay, you guys there?
Yep.
All right, going into screen share mode again. All right, in terms of Google Hangout, okay? Hold on, Google. Sorry, give me 1 second. Okay, there's a Google Hangout. All right, I have these three photos made. All right, basically you click there on Gmail, but I'll show you. Okay, you go to Home and you click Hangouts. Okay, that's it. Those three steps. Computer, Home, Hangouts. Okay, so I'm going to show you. Basically, go into your Gmail account. All right, and you're going to click here. All right, Peter Plus. All right, or Shane Plus, or Ryan Plus, or Ang Plus. Okay, you click there, and it takes you to Google Plus. Okay. Like I said, number two, go to home. If you just hover over your mouse, this drop down list will pop out. And then you click Hangouts here. Hangouts. Okay? They recently changed this. Now if you want to do a hangout on air, you click Hangout on air here. Alright? And then you start a hangout on air. The thing is, I'm on one right now, so I can't load it, but okay, we name it whatever you want, trial hangout. You can write something here if you want. And you can do audience public if you wanted anybody to join. You could do your circles, extended circles, okay? And then you share. Okay? And then you click start right here. All right? I doubt I could do it.
Yeah. So
Okay.
how do you do the broadcast button?
Now, for broadcast button, let's see. Hey, where are you guys? Oh, you guys are here. Okay. Now for broadcast button, can you guys see my screen here? Yeah, it says right here, stop broadcast here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, if that's not there, then right now we're playing right now, so there's only stop. But if it's not, if you want to begin it, you just click right here and it just start broadcast. And then it loads and then it goes live right here, boom. And you have a live right there, okay? Another cool thing is right here, Hangout Toolbox. When you do Hangout Toolbox, this is how you can actually, all right, you click here, and this is how you get that bar on your little Hangout. You have your little title, Peter Chung, tagline, whatever you want, Google Hangout Master. And then you could even choose your own logo and put a picture up there. All right, and choose your color of your banner, and then you just click on, boom, and then it should pop up. Okay? So that's just a cool feature. And you guys could go through these, it's just little effects, just little fun things. But another important thing is how you actually share the link, okay? This usually works best on Google Chrome, guys. When you start a Hangout, for Google Chrome, the top bar URL actually shows. I noticed a lot of other browsers that it doesn't show. So you just click, you copy this link, and then you post it to people. I could post it to Eng here. And these are the people that if they join, they'll end up on the panel. Okay, like we are here. Okay, that link is for the people on the panel. Now, if you want people to just watch, all right, I couldn't find this for a while, but you go down here, and it says links, okay? It says links. You click links. All right, I don't know if there's an easier way, guys. Hopefully there is, but, there's a video embed here, right? Because normally people do this, they put it on their websites, and then, at the bottom it says, like, register here, things like that. So that's what it's for, but it's an embed code. So what I do in order to get the actual YouTube channel is I paste the embed code and then I grab this, right? This is the YouTube, okay? And then I paste this, okay? But this is still the embed code, so it comes up this big, right? So what I do is, hold on. Basically, what I do is I click the YouTube here. When you click the YouTube button, it takes it to YouTube. And this is the link that you send people, okay? Or if you memorize this tag right here, watch !V equals, because I think that's the general YouTube thing for everything. And then this is the actual link that shows up here. Okay, guys? So you click this link, and you get this video embed code. All right, I usually post it in Notepad. All right. And this is the YouTube link. All right. You see how this RP6 number is the same?
Mm-hmm.
RP6, that's the same. All YouTube channels or videos, they come up with this tag, watch question mark V equals, I believe. Okay?
Okay, great. Okay,
Awesome.
so anything else? Any questions? So half an hour already.
Mm-hmm.
Shane,
Any
any question,
questions?
Ryan?
Um, no, no questions at this time. There's just all these tools are just glad we had this because I had no idea how to use these. So, especially that Ultra Facebook as well.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, first of all, definitely group posting helps. As marketers, we definitely want to save as much time as we can. You know what I mean? To really focus on the important things that we want to do. Group posting, it's a statistics game. It's a numbers game.
Yeah.
So you don't want to sit there and clicking away doing that all the time. So using these auto posters, it could just be set 24/7 for you. You know what I mean? It's just on the back of your mind. You don't have to focus on it, so it saves a lot of time. There's a lot of group posters out there, but from my experience, this has been the best for me. So this is what I'm going to continue to use for now. So, yeah.
Yeah, definitely. I'm gonna invest in that. And I mean, is it something actually I was looking forward to or looking to use? So it's just the right timing, and glad caught into it.
Perfect.
Hmm.
When you get to replay the video, then you can go through all the steps much clearer. So we have now two, and then tomorrow we're gonna make one with Steven. So Steve will show us maybe how he becomes so effective because he's knocking them out like crazy.
When is he doing that, eh? What time?
His is UK time, so I will try to do it in the afternoon. Be, be,
Afternoon, okay.
because when we come back it's already past midnight inside UK.
Hmm.
So that's what we're gonna do. So we now have two versions. So another third one. So that'll be enough. So anyone can choose. Well, I want to learn both. I want to learn this ultra and then use the other one by uh, Bill and Steve are using the same ones.
Uh-huh. What's it called? But you probably can't use both posters on one account, you
Is that
know?
right?
I mean, I think that will cause some sort of a ban, That means you're posting double the amount.
Now, when you do the different accounts, are they all your names or just have to be other people's name?
The thing is, I actually share this account with one of my partners, but it could be all you. I have three Facebook accounts. But I don't really use them all, and one of them is just for the poster. And my partner actually has three accounts, and one he just used strictly for one type of business, and he just promotes that. And also in terms of what we're doing with the stacking, what's cool is what we do in my other business also is since you can post different messages, we post our downlines links there, you know,
Oh, I see.
with each
That's
with
perfect.
yeah with each message, it's a different downlines link, and we try to get them leads,
Yeah,
So that's what we're doing on the back end there.
that's a form of stacking also.
Yeah, for sure.
Yep. Okay, so should we call it a day and round this up?
Yep.
Okay,
Yeah,
thanks a
appreciate
lot,
it.
Peter.
Appreciate
Thanks
it.
again.
Yeah.
Okay,
If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out.
okay, thanks.
I'm out of jail.
Okay.
Congratulations.
Take care, guys.
Take
Ciao.
care.
Bye.
Ciao.